I am Romeo Durscher, Vice President of Public Safety at Atarian. It's been an honor to be a judge in this year's Airwards 2021 Drone Awards and seeing the amazing use cases of this technology. But with every new technology also come challenges. I'm excited to announce the winner of the category Counter-Drone Systems, Anti-Drones in the Technology Group. The winner is WhiteFox Defense. Congratulations.
Hello, I'm Luke Fox, CEO of WhiteFox Defense, and I'm honored to accept this award on behalf of the entire WhiteFox team for our groundbreaking solution, Stratus, the world's first cloud-based drone airspace security system. With simply a computer or cell phone, you can track in real time the drones that are in your airspace, while also generating historical reports. At WhiteFox, we love drones, and our technology is pioneering the safe integration of drones around the world. So thank you so much for this recognition. Upward.